If you're feeling too lazy to cook and just want something to eat, but it needs to be fast, convenient, and delicious, what would be your choice?
I want to tell you something. You count noodles, okay? And I'll eat.
Okay. Most people are like Corey. They love eating all those noodles and top ramen.
かかってきなさい。日清カップヌードル。
That's right, it's instant noodles, a popular dish around the world and a great human invention. By 2023, the market value of global instant noodles will reach $57.4 billion USD, and it is expected to reach $90.8 billion USD by 2032, showing a huge profit potential for instant noodle companies like Nissin, Cup Noodles, and Maruchan.
Soup, noodles, and real vegetable and chicken pieces. See for yourself.
Delicious!
Today, let's join Captain Discovery to learn some interesting facts behind this best-selling food and explore the instant noodles production line to see what makes it so successful. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery as we can dive into some curious processes about anything in the world.
And freedom of assembly. Democracy was new and strange to the Japanese people, but they responded to its exhilarating effects with seriousness and responsibility.
Food shortages were widespread. In that time, Momofuku Ando, a Japanese entrepreneur, witnessed long lines for meager bowls of ramen. He envisioned a solution, a nutritious, affordable, and easy-to-prepare noodle dish. Through trial and error, Ando developed a method of flash-frying pre-cooked noodles to extend their shelf life. In 1958, he launched the world's first instant noodles, chicken ramen, featuring chicken-flavored broth and instant noodles. Although instant ramen's popularity soared, Ando wasn't done innovating. In 1971, he introduced the world to the now iconic cup noodles. This invention revolutionized convenience, allowing people to prepare a steaming hot bowl of noodles with just boiling water in a cup. Instant noodles weren't just a hit in Japan. Cheap and easy to make, instant noodles were a global phenomenon, from Asia to Africa, Europe to the Americas. Now, instant noodles have become a go-to for busy individuals and families seeking a quick and satisfying meal. Wheat flour is the primary ingredient, often combined with starch, salt, and other additives. Then, water is added to dry ingredients in a large industrial mixer. After mixing, the dough is allowed to rest in large resting tanks for around 30 minutes, which is crucial for the texture of the noodles. The dough is kneaded thoroughly to develop the gluten structure and then rolled into thin sheets using a series of rollers. The sheeted dough is then cut into noodle strands using slitting machines. The cut noodle strands are steamed to gelatinize the starch, which partially cooks the noodles and enhances their texture. And now we come to Captain Discovery's quiz about instant noodles. Momofuku Ando is the founder of which instant noodles brand? A. Nissin Food. B. Maruchan. The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Stay tuned. The noodles can be formed into their characteristic wave shape or other desired shapes during this stage. The continuous strands of noodles are then cut into individual portions, typically around 40 to 50 grams each. For fried noodles, the noodle blocks are conveyed into deep fryers filled with hot oil, usually around 140 to 160 degrees Celsius. This step usually takes between 1 to 2 minutes. For non-fried noodles, the noodle blocks are conveyed into large drying ovens where there is hot air, typically around 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, in 40 to 60 minutes. After frying or drying, the noodles are transferred onto cooling conveyors. Large fans or air conditioning units cool the noodles to room temperature to prevent condensation inside the packaging. Flavoring and seasoning packets, which may include powdered soup base, dehydrated vegetables, and spices, are prepared in a separate area. These are carefully measured and packed into small packets. The cooled noodles and seasoning packets are assembled into their final packaging. This could be individual plastic wrappers, foam cups, or larger family packs. Packaging machines ensure the packages are sealed, labeled, and coded with production dates. Samples from each batch are taken to a quality assurance lab. Tests are conducted to check for texture, moisture content, flavor consistency, and nutrition. Microbiological tests ensure that there are no harmful bacteria. Automated systems and human inspectors check the noodles and packaging for uniformity, defects, and proper sealing. Any products that do not meet standards are removed from the production line. And now here's the answer for the quiz about Momofuku Ando's instant ramen brands. The answer is A. Nissin Foods. Founded in 1948 by Momofuku Ando, Nissin Foods is best known for their instant noodles, making it a staple worldwide. What a phenomenon! Instant noodles are more than just a tasty and convenient meal. During natural disasters like storms and floods, instant noodles can provide much-needed sustenance when other food sources are scarce. Not only that, according to the World Instant Noodles Association, WINA, instant noodles are seen as a potential solution to global hunger, promoting food security. That's the end of the video. If you want to know more about the process of everything else in life, like and subscribe to Captain Discovery to ensure you don't miss out on anything interesting.